Welcome. So in this video, we'll be answering this question before us. It says the number of solutions to the equation 2 sine of 6x equals -1, where x is an element of 0 to 2 pi, is which of these? It's really important that we notice for this question that what we are after is not the solutions, but the number of solutions. So this represents the number of solutions. I definitely think the best way to approach this question is to use your CAS, and let me show you how you would do it. So we're just going to begin by putting in our trigonometric equation, and we're solving it. So we're going to go menu, we're going to go algebra, and then we're going to go solve. And now we're going to type in what we've been given here, which is 2 of sine 6x, close my brackets, equals -1, comma x. Now, this is where most people will make the mistake. They'll hit enter here, and if you hit enter here, you're going to be given these. Now, the reason why we don't want these is because we need to make sure that we put in our domain. If we don't put in our domain, we're just going to get these, and we're not going to get the number of solutions. It's just going to go on for infinity, and this is what this is denoting here, that it's going on for infinity, and it's just giving us where they're regularly occurring. So don't worry, we don't have to type out everything we've done again. Just hit up, hit enter. This brings it down. Now we're going to put in our domain. So control this, hit that right there, then go 0, control this is less than x, control this is less than or equal to this pi. Now when we hit enter, we're actually getting the solutions. But remember, we're not after the solutions, we're after the number of solutions. And you can see the options before us. We either have 2, 3, 4, 6, or 12 solutions. So it's just a matter of counting them now. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if I was to keep on going, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if I was to keep on going like this, you can see that it would take some time, but eventually you'd count up 12. Now, you might be thinking, hey, that might take a bit of time to kind of like scroll through all of these, counting them. Is there a better way of doing it on the CAS? And I think there is. First of all, this way works. It's just a matter of, if there was lots of solutions here, you wouldn't want to be counting them up 1, 2, 3. It would just be very time consuming. And in a test or exam situation, you want to be conserving as much time as possible. So is there a more efficient way to do this on the CAS? And I think there is. First of all, let's recognize that we could rearrange what we've been given here. So this 2 sine of 6x equals -1, we could rewrite this as sine of 6x is equal to -1/2. And what this is saying is that we have y equals sine of 6x, and we have y equals -1/2. And we're finding how many times they intersect. That's what it means when it says find the number of solutions. How many times does this intersect with that? That's what it's asking. So if we were now to come to our CAS and go control, add doc, add graph, and put in sine of 6x, close bracket, and make sure that you specify the domain, otherwise it will go on forever. So is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 pi. So there it is right there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put in our other line, which is y equals -1/2. So I'm going to go tab and then put in -1/2. And now you can see how many times they intersect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They intersect 12 times. So this might be an easier way as opposed to counting them up all like this. I did look through the TI Inspire manual just to double check there isn't a way of just going how many solutions are there to this, but I couldn't find anything. I spent like 30 minutes reading through the manual trying to figure out a way of just telling the CAS I just want the number of solutions, not the solutions themselves. I came up empty-handed, which was a shame. I know I live a very exciting life reading the manual, but I couldn't figure out how to do it. So you either got that option there, or you could count them up here. Either way, you're going to find out that there are 12 solutions to it. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.